This is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering, and my case study is about Agile model and Infosys. Generally, what is an Agile model? Let us discuss. Agile is a swift or versatile. An Agile process model, it mainly refers to the software development approach that is based on iterative development. Agile methods breaks tasks into smaller iterations. Paths do not directly involve long-term planning. The project scope and requirements are laid down at the beginning of the development process. Here, the plans regarding the number of iteration and the duration of the scope of each iteration are clearly identified in advance. That's why we are just going to for the agile process mode. In general, agile process mainly consists of 5 steps. That is 5 phases. We can tell it as first we are gathering your requirements, and then we are just going to design it. We are going to test it, and then we are going for deployment, and finally we are just going for going to deploy it in the market, and then finally we are just getting the feedback. Now let us see. Agile model accelerates business reporting. How the agile model is going to accelerate the business reporting? Now, generally, a global machinery and engineers manufacturer was challenged by the heterogeneous IT landscape, which provide limited visibility in current and emerging business needs. Next, here we are just going to see, moreover, the disparate IT infrastructure was characterized by complex applications that resulted in high manual intervention for business reporting. At last, it was much more it was dependent on the manual rather than automatic. Whereas Infosys adapted the agile model to streamline the IT infrastructure, that is simply application, simplifying your applications and automate the business reporting. The manual business reporting was converted into automated business reporting using this agile model in Infosys. A solution approach aligned people, processes, and technology to automate report generation across the entire enterprises. Here, the main key challenges we faced was manual generation of business reports could not address new and emerging business requirements scale, whereas on-premises IT infrastructure resulted in high licensing cost. In waterfall model, affected project delivery and outcomes with the product release delayed by 4 to 6 months. Whereas when we are using the agile, all these challenges were overcome. Now, the solution here is the automated business reporting boards producting across the enterprise. That is, here we are using the agile model for the automated business reporting boost. Here, in digital transformation, Infosys mainly implemented a digital transformation strategy to integrate disparate systems, simplify complex applications, and facilitate custom reporting for business users. In such a way, digital transformation was more useful in Infosys implementing a agile mode. Next, here in Infosys team, that is the Scrum Masters. Here, the team mainly consists of 2 Scrum Masters, leading team, and 1 Agile coach located on site as well as offshore. Adopted the Agile methodology to accelerate application development and reporting. By using this Scrum Masters, they lead their team. And then what are the benefits? Here, our team adopted the agile methodology to manage several moving parts, ensures alignment between developers and testers, and incorporate automation into business reporting. Our solution replaced the existing application to generate on-demand reports that is based on the requirements while accelerating the product releases. That is, thank you. And thus I come to tell us based on comparing with waterfall and the agile model it has been main use in the Infosys. I have took this as a case study for my purpose. Thank you.